Hi everyone, welcome to Error Genie. Today I'll guide you step by step to fix the issue of Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 not installing on the Microsoft Store or Xbox app for Windows PCs. Let's get started. Step 1. Use the Gaming Services Repair tool. Open the Xbox app, click your profile icon at the top left, select Support, then Gaming Services Repair tool. Click Start Repairing and Yes to allow. Let the process complete, then check if the issue is resolved. If you don't see the repair tool, search Gaming Services Repair Tool on Google. Visit the official Xbox support page, download the repair tool, and run it. Step 2. Sign out and back in with the same account. Open Microsoft Store and click the profile icon. Select Sign Out, then log back in with the same account used for your Game Pass. Repeat this for the Xbox app. Step 3. Check date, time zone, and region. Open Settings, then Time and Language, then Date and Time. Turn on Set Time automatically and Set Time Zone automatically. Click Sync Now to sync time. Go to Language and Region and ensure your correct country is selected. Step 4. Install from Microsoft Store Library. Open Microsoft Store. Click Library in the bottom left corner. Locate your game and click Install. If installing from Microsoft Store fails, try the Xbox app. Step 5. Use PowerShell to fix issues. Copy the PowerShell command provided in the video description. Search for PowerShell, right-click, and choose Run as administrator. Paste the command and press Enter. Ignore red error messages. Restart your PC and check the installation. Step 6. Clear Microsoft Store. Cache Open File Explorer and navigate to C:users, bracket your username, bracket app data, local packages. Find the folder named Microsoft.Windows Store _ with alphanumeric characters. Open it and delete the local cache folder. Restart your computer and try again. Step 7. Repair or reset Microsoft Store Xbox app. Open Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Locate Microsoft Store or Xbox app, click the three dots, and select Advanced Options. First, click Repair. If that doesn't work, select Reset. Step 8. Update Gaming Services and Xbox Identity Provider. Use the links provided in the video description to download Xbox Identity Provider, Gaming Services. Install both from Microsoft's official website or the store. Step 9. Restart necessary services. Open services. Search for it in the Start menu. Find and restart these services: IP Helper, Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Networking Service, Gaming Services. Step 10. Update Windows Open Settings, then Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install any pending updates. Restart your PC and check the game installation. Step 11. Install to a different drive. Go to Settings, then System, then Storage, then Advanced Storage Settings. Under where new content is saved, switch to another drive, e.g. D: or E:. Apply changes and try the installation again. Step 12. Reinstall Microsoft Store or Xbox app. Use PowerShell commands available in the video description to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store. Xbox app. Step 13. Use Media Creation tool to update Windows. If nothing works, update your Windows using the Media Creation tool. Download the tool for your version of Windows link in the description. Run it and select Upgrade this PC now. Follow on-screen instructions to update Windows. Conclusion. One of these steps should help you resolve the issue with installing Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. Thank you for watching Error Genie. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. See you in the next video.